Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to upgrade all Python packages with pip. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically our main requirement is to update all the possible packages that we have, and the sole requirement is that we have pip installed. And considering that you have clicked this video to watch how to update your libraries present in Python, that means you'll already be having pip installed. So first of all, let's see the possible packages that we have that are outdated and need to be updated. For that, you need to type a command saying pip space list dash dash outdated. Once you do that, you will get a list of all the possible packages that you have downloaded and are currently outdated, along with its version and the latest version that you need to update to. So I've got a lot of packages that have yet to be updated. So now what we need to do is we'll have to write a command, and it's a really big command. So what I'm going to do is, instead of typing the whole command, I'll keep the command present in the description of this video, so you can take it down, copy it from there and paste it. So let me just paste the command. So basically it's a pip freeze command, and what it does is, in this line it finds all the possible libraries that are outdated and need to be updated, and then it simply installs that using pip install. And it's using a command of upgrade, which means we want to upgrade the current library that we've got. That's all it. And if you press enter, it will do its process and update all the possible libraries that we've got. But I will not wish to do that, since I do not want to update it currently, because I'm working with projects that are using the current library that I require. And if you want to do it on a Linux system, I'll be keeping the command present inside the description box, so you can take it from there too and use it for a Linux system. So that's it from this quick video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.